Hi. Google Cloud Anthos is a platform that allows organizations to run their applications on any infrastructure, whether it's on premises, in the cloud, or in a hybrid environment. It enables organizations to modernize their applications and infrastructure, and to simplify the management of their multi-cloud and multi-cluster deployments. Anthos is the leading cloud-centric container platform to run modern apps anywhere consistently at scale. Google Cloud Anthos is a platform that allows users to run both existing and new applications on premises or in the public cloud, while also providing a consistent development and operations experience across environments. It is built on top of Kubernetes, the industry-leading container orchestration system, and includes a set of tools and services that help you manage and secure your applications. Additionally, Anthos also provides a way for organizations to easily migrate their legacy applications to the cloud, further modernizing their infrastructure. One of the key features of Anthos is the ability to define, automate, and enforce policies across environments to meet the unique security and compliance requirements of the organization. With Anthos config management, changes are evaluated and rolled out to all Kubernetes clusters, ensuring that the desired state is always reflected. This helps organizations maintain a secure and compliant environment while simplifying their application stack. And why not add also a fully managed service mesh with built-in visibility? Anthos Service Mesh takes the burden off of operations and development teams, empowering them to manage and secure traffic between services while monitoring, troubleshooting, and improving application performance. With this feature, organizations can focus on delivering their applications, not managing the underlying infrastructure. Anthos integrates security into each stage of the application lifecycle, from development to deployment, enabling a defense-in-depth security strategy with a comprehensive portfolio of security controls across all deployment models. As the world moves towards hybrid and multi-cloud deployments, organizations need a solution that can keep up with the changing landscape and protect their applications at all stages. Anthos provides a platform for organizations to modernize their CI/CD pipeline and take full advantage of the speed and scale of the cloud, regardless of their deployment location. Whether you run your Kubernetes clusters on Google Cloud, on premises, or other public clouds, you can leverage the power of cloud-native CI/CD with the help of Cloud Build Hybrid Pools and Cloud Deploy, both of which are currently in preview. With this feature, organizations can streamline their development processes, automate the build and deployment of their applications, and quickly deploy new features and updates. This results in faster time to market and reduced downtime, as well as improved collaboration and communication between development and operations teams. The ability to run CI/CD anywhere offers organizations the flexibility and freedom to choose their preferred deployment location, while still benefiting from the speed, scalability, and security of the cloud. With Anthos, organizations can modernize their CI/CD pipeline, take advantage of the latest technologies, and stay ahead of the curve in today's rapidly evolving digital landscape. Google Cloud Anthos is the future of container orchestration and management, providing a consistent, managed Kubernetes experience for organizations looking to modernize their application stack. With its ability to run across environments, automate policy and security, provide a fully managed service mesh, and enable cloud-native CI/CD, Anthos is a solution that organizations can rely on to meet their needs today and into the future. Google Cloud Anthos has been making waves in the corporate world, with a growing number of organizations from various industries embracing its innovative features. Retail, finance, and healthcare are just some of the sectors that have adopted Anthos, and the results have been nothing short of impressive. One shining example of Anthos in action is the retail behemoth Target. Target's adoption of Google Cloud Anthos has allowed them to revolutionize their application infrastructure and achieve greater agility in scaling and automating their deployments. By leveraging the power of Anthos, Target has been able to streamline its operations and stay ahead of the curve in the fast-paced world of retail. This success story is just one of many, and it highlights the potential of Google Cloud Anthos to drive digital transformation and provide organizations with the tools they need to compete in today's rapidly evolving business landscape. Whether your organization is looking to improve efficiency, enhance security, or simply stay ahead of the curve, Anthos has the features and capabilities to help you succeed. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed this Google Cloud component and see you in the next chapter of this adventure.